Today you will be sorting and writing words based on their ending sound. You and a partner will work together at the end, but for now you'll be working by yourself. You will get a pile or a stack of these cards here. These are the words that you will be sorting into different piles with the ending sound. So, for example, our first word in the top left here is drastic. So you will go through and try to find other words that also have the same ending as drastic. I'll show you. So I would put drastic in a pile, and then I would go through breath. That does not have the same sound. Embrace. That does not have the same ending sound. Voyage. Plug. Bunch. Traffic. There's another one. So you would take traffic and put it with drastic. Continue this pile until you find all of the words that have the same ending sound as drastic and traffic. When you get done with your piles, you need to write them on a piece of paper or in your reader's notebook. When you get done with that, you will read your sorting piles to your partner, and then you will listen to your partner read theirs to you.